orchard. Are you serious? You guys need the same thing?
Those are mystery bags.
But I don't know who it is.
Oh. Here. We put you the long way so you don't miss it. Come on. What you got? You got some glasses there? Need some dinosaur glasses? Wow. Oh, you got Montreal backstage bracelets. That's your cousin. Got some yummy food. Oh, it's Montreal stuff. Your cousin. Got some more yummy food and snacks. Bendy light. Oh, he's a light for your bed, Axel. He'll hang off the side of your bed. Yeah, nice.
Look at Chainsaw Man.
Look at Chainsaw Man. You love some Chainsaw Man. Your dad knows exactly what you like. Lots of fruit, yummy for your bag. Montreal stuff. You got a lot of merch. Wait, you got more stuff in there. What else? Ah, some vitamin C packs.
I kind of like this bag because it has Huggy Wuggy. That's a jump scare.
Alright, let's pull out the box. Pass me that other chainsaw thing over there. Okay, hold on. Let me just make sure everything is nice. Okay. You ready, Axel? Oh, here, Axel. Check out the t-shirts first. Open them up. He got a peek of the box. Open up the t-shirt. When it opens.
Kissy Missy Huggy Wuggy.
Here. Open it. I want to see the shirt. Open the shirt. Ooh, speedy delivery pizza. Yum. What you got? Oh, Mickey Mouse shirt. Yeah. Cool.
You're looking cool.
Come over here.
Bro, you lied to me. Found Huggy Wuggy.
What do you think?
Are you
Cool.
serious? You got me puppy flavor.
Alright, Axel, open that one up. Hold on, hold on.
Hello, Huggy.
Look at this, Axel. Axel Paxel. Wow, this is so dope. This says you have to feel the fire in yourself. You can't fake it. You have to figure out what inspires you. Never say die.
I already know who spelled that one. That was Huggy Wuggy. I already know what Huggy Wuggy does in the fire.
It says mystical realms, Axel Paxel soars, guided by 1111, unlocking hidden doors through frequencies bright. He lights the way, transforming darkness into day.
I'm serious. That was Huggy Wuggy.
CG11. Look at your dollar bill, Axel. There's your name on it. So cool.
That's supposed to be Huggy Wuggy.
Today's designs determines tomorrow's reality. Choose different. Dear Axel, you are a slayer of monsters and demons, more powerful than you yet know. Love, Dad. And this says,
I already know I want to
the
be.
universe, Frogman, 1111, Father, Son, soon begins. Come open this, Axel.
I only have to do is just sit on the table. That's my life.
Don't hold his ears like that. Be careful with that bag. Not cheap. What? What is that?
Let's open it up. You got it all.
I got the Huggy Wuggy army now.
Yeah, you do.
I got the Poppy Playtime stuff for sure because I'm gonna get my ring instead. I want a new car. No.
Did you hear him?
Dad.
I want a new car.
You want a new car?
He's joking.
Money.
Open that one.